Hi, I'm Megan Hall, and welcome back to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I test and rate one generative AI tool every week so you don't have to. This week, I tested Soundraw, which is an AI music tool, and it actually created the music that you hear in this intro. When you're using Soundraw, you can select from a mood, a genre, a tempo, and even the types of instruments you want to be featured on the track. And Soundraw will give you a number of options to choose from. The resulting tracks are all fair use, which is a big win in my eyes because it means that you can use it for podcasts, videos, and other content without having to pay extra for it. I tested the individual pro plan, and with that plan, you can download up to 50 tracks a day, and all of them are fair use. There's also a free version, but you can only generate the tracks with it. You can't download them or use them for anything. Here's what the interface looks like. While I set up these inputs, I'll show you the song that actually resulted from them. As a reminder, I'll be rating each tool out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give Soundraw 4 out of 5 stars. One thing that I really like about this tool is how much time it would save me if I needed a quick track for a podcast, a video, a promotion, or any other piece of content that I might be making. The fact that I can set the mood and genre and then edit the instruments, the tempo, the length, the intensity, and more with just a couple of clicks is actually really appealing to me, and it makes me feel like a mini DJ at my day job. Soundraw is also super easy to learn how to use. Simple selections yield dozens and dozens of tracks that you can choose from, so it seems like the possibilities are almost endless. There are a couple of drawbacks to this tool, one being that none of the songs have lyrics to them. That is to be expected, and it's something that I knew before I started testing this tool, so I didn't go in with that expectation, but it would be interesting to see in the future. I think the quality of the end product could be a little bit better. The tunes are definitely looped, and you can tell that if you try to adjust anything manually. And I wish that Soundraw had expanded functionality as well. It would be really cool to enter your own prompt and have a tune generated from that. So, for instance, if I said I wanted a tropical song for a long weekend at the beach, and Soundraw could spit something out based on that, I think that the overall value of this tool would increase by a lot. Google's AI Test Kitchen was recently testing a new tool called Music LM that would actually allow users to do that. But right now, it's only in testing, and so the tracks are really short. I'll be interested to see how it progresses and to see if it can eventually spit out tracks that are just as long as what Soundraw and its competitors are generating for users right now. Thanks so much for joining me for the 6th episode of the Gen AI Toolbox, and I'll see you next Friday.